Hello students. In today's video, I will be discussing the concept of linear regression in Excel. So you can see here in this A column, advertising spent in dollars is given like this, 5 up to 50. And in B column, sales in dollars is also given like this, 20 to 125. So it is actually in $1,000. It is also in thousand of dollars, like multiple of $1,000. Now I want to create a linear regression model on the basis of this data. So here this particular data, advertising spend, it will be independent variable and sales will be the dependent variable. Sales will be the dependent variable. So what we can do here, we can go to data, we can go to data analysis, and thereafter there will be option of regression. So let me click on this regression and then OK. Input Y range. Input Y range means that range which you want to predict. I want to predict sales, so I will click on it. I will select this sales column along with label and I will again click on it. Input X range. X range is that which is independent variable. So I will click on this one. I will select this particular independent variable column along with label, and in the first row there are labels. Yes, it is label. Output range is what? In output range I will be selecting suppose this particular cell and then click on it, and thereafter what I want to show here, I want to show here line fit plots. I want to show here line fit plots. So along with this particular setting I will click on OK. So if I am clicking on it, you can see easily a lot of summary output is available in Microsoft Excel, right? Lot of summary is available, but I am not going to focus upon it. I am going to focus upon the graph created. I am going to focus upon this graph created, right? So what we can do here, we can see this particular blue dots, blue dot or blue, I mean to say whatever is the bluish, that one parameter is there, that is sales, and whatever is the orangish parameter, that is predicted sale. So what I want to do here, I will click here on this plus sign and I want to show here trend line. If I want to show trend line, Excel is asking me that I want to create trend line of what? I want to create trend line of sales, or I want to create trend line of predicted sales. So I want to create trend line of predicted sales. So I will click on OK. So you see this is the trend line. But apart from it, I want to show the line of regression as well. So along this one, ahead of this trend line, there is this particular sign is there. So I will click on it and then I will go to more options, and again I will click on predicted sales and then OK. So on this particular clicking on this particular thing, here some separate window is open, and here I want to show what? I want to show display equation on chart. Actually this is the equation that is known as line of regression. So let me format this particular equation. If I am formatting it like this, suppose font is Times New Roman and font size is 18 and bold is this particular thing here. So this is what? This is known as the line of regression of y on x. So if this is a line of regression, with the help of this line of regression, I can easily predict that whatever is the advertising spend, on the basis of which what will be the value of sales. So suppose this particular line of regression I have created, so I will suppose take it here, I am copying it here and I am pasting it in this cell. So actually this whole graph is copied. Just I will take this equation, I will take just this equation and I will copy it and I will paste it here. So this is what? This y is what? This y is actually here, it is giving us predicted sales. On the basis of what? On the basis of x, and x is what? It is advertising spend. Suppose I want to calculate the sales, where the advertising spend was equal to 70 suppose, right? So I want to create predicted sales on the basis of this particular advertising spend. So what I can do here, for that purpose y will be is equal to 2.24 equal to 2.2424 and multiplied with what, multiplied with 70 and plus 11.333, right? But I want to calculate this value, so for that purpose I can take only this particular thing here and I can calculate it separately, and it is 168.301. It means what, for advertising spend 70, the predicted sales will be what, the predicted sales will be 168.301. So this is all about the concept of linear regression. This is all about the concept of linear regression in Excel. So I hope students, you understood all these particular things very well, that how to create this particular graph here. And if you want to change the chart design as well, then you can also do that. Whatever is the best presentation, you can select that. So, and in this way this line of regression is also created. So thank you so much for watching this video.